layers. Welcome to a video workshop using the Flemish Master's painting technique. This workshop will teach you how to paint a simple realistic still life from the beginning to the end. It will reveal some of the secrets of the old masters and demonstrate the way that they used layers to construct a painting. Always compare each tonal value. By adding or removing medium, we regulate the transparency of the umber. In the darkest parts of the painting, avoid heavy color deposits that may cause the color layers to crack later. Second, underpainting is again based on the principle of the dry and wet brush. This means that we apply the paint with one paintbrush and mix the paint with the second dry brush directly on the canvas. Ochre and burnt umber are added to colors to reduce chromaticity where needed. Because of the mixing of colors and color theory is a very large topic. Drying of the previous color layer, we proceed to the application of details and light reflections. Light reflections are painted with pasty color. Strong color deposits in the place where there is light reflections seem to almost leap out of the canvas and thus